Design 1, the summer class, and our project this summer is the e-bell. The e-bell is going to be a replacement in security system, a replacement for the traditional doorbell as far as as well as a security system. I'm going to introduce the team members, and when I do, guys, I want you to raise your hand to be recognized. First, Goalie designed the interface, the internet interface that's being used. Joe and Long did the coding and built the sensors. Guana built in a custom antenna. I created this summer the actual physical model and built a small circuit that allowed the transformer to convert it an AC signal to a DC signal that the Arduino unit could use. Now, the heart of the e-bell is the Arduino microprocessor. What we have are fundamentally two ways to activate it. When a homeowner is he's in his house, somebody approaches, there is a motion sensor that will activate it. There is also the traditional doorbell when it's pressed that will activate the unit. When the unit is activated, a photograph is taken. The photograph is then shot up to the cloud, and the homeowner, wherever he is, whether it be at home or anywhere in the world at that time, has access. He knows who's at his front door. We have, for this summer, we created a web page that we are using as the interface. Next semester, we are going to go ahead, expand on that, and create a smartphone app that will, of course, give the consumer much more flexibility in use. See, I'm running out of time here, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of consolidate the last part. Right now, next semester, the modifications we will create is right now it's a single photograph going up. We're going to go ahead and use video to expand, and we will create a download link where you will actually be able to speak to that individual who is at your door. If it's the postman, put the package under the doormat. If it's somebody you don't like, we're at home, we're not coming to the door, which can or cannot be the truth. A couple things we want to do right now is, first of all, it was a long summer, but we want to thank the folks at AT&T Foundry for all the help you provided us. It could not have been done without you. Of course, Dr. Fumagalli and Dr. Taka. Since we're down to about 10 seconds, I want to go ahead and tell you all, just come by our booth. The guys would love to demonstrate the product for you. Thank you so much. One thing I do want to point out is we don't have it right here. I don't see it on the site, but we have a wonderful photograph of Dr. Fumagalli's shoes. That was our first successful working of the prototype, and we feel it's a fitting first step.
All right, any questions?
Working your way up, right?
Well, fantastic.
Any idea how much it's going to cost?
Right now, we think we probably put we had a $300 budget. We needed a few extra parts, building the model, about $500. We think that our product is distinguishable from possible other products on the market. Is going to be cost. We believe we can build our product, especially when we get it down to a prototype, at a much, much cheaper than the other products that will be coming out. So we'd say our product cost for a second prototype would probably be in the $300 range. If it was a complete production model, I cannot give you an absolute price, but we think it would be considerably less than that.
Okay. Is there one component that drives that price, or is
Arduino.
Okay.
The Arduino, I believe, will be the component that will be the most costly.
Resolution, camera resolution, and the data upload, and how are you going to manage the data on the site?
cloud, it brings into a whole string of questions we had during the summer. Not only the kid ringing the doorbell, what about the squirrel walking past the door? It's giving you that false positive. That's why we wanted to create the doorbell to give the second thing. We did have the most difficult technical aspect we faced this summer was getting the information into the cloud at a reasonable rate of speed. And that is that is going to be a problem we will examine very, very carefully in the second semester. And to expand upon your question, we will also be looking very diligently at encryption of all of this material to make sure that no one can hack into our system. Right now, we are simply delighted that we met all of our summer goals by getting the photograph uploaded. But we do believe that speed is going to be a big part of the second semester. Go ahead, please.
So does this use a 3G network or is it Wi-Fi at home? And if it does not use Wi-Fi, does it have the ability to expand to Wi-Fi so you don't use it data?
Yeah, we're strictly 3G right now.
Okay.
During the summer, of course, time is a huge consideration. We would, for being around the home, find Wi-Fi to be an exceptional second alternative, obviously because of